welcome to Magic Feather Production. Today I'm going to make a long video that shows you how to make the BB wrist shooter. Pretty badass, don't you think?
Spectators to the sound of the voice of a traitor. Dirty looks and I'm looking for a payback. Burning books and a bulletproof backpack. Everybody is a star. Got my money and I'm feeling kinda low. Everybody got a scar. And it's funny how we're running out of hope. I get up at around 4 o'clock, put on my pants and go take a walk. I am exactly the way I wanna be. Yeah. I watch what I eat whenever I can. I eat what I watch when I'm in Japan. Everyone says I'm right where I ought to be. Yeah, I'm a professional freak, yeah, freak, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm a professional freak, yeah, freak, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm a professional freak. I'm a professional freak. I'm a professional. Now and again I'll pick up the phone, play electric guitar and party alone. Everyone says that something is wrong with me. Whatever. Woo. I'm a big mouth when I'm getting drunk. If I'm freaking you out, I don't give a fuck, because I am exactly the way I wanna be. Yeah, I'm a professional freak, yeah, freak, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm a professional freak, yeah, freak, yeah, 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 yeah. Run me out of town. I'm so lonely I don't mind turning round the hands of time. Everyone says I'm right where I ought to be. Everyone says I'm right where I ought to be. Everyone says I'm right where I ought to be. Everyone says I'm right where I ought to be. I watch what I eat whenever I can. I eat what I watch when I'm in Japan. Everyone says I'm right where I ought to be. Yeah, I'm a professional freak, yeah, freak, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm a professional freak, yeah. Life is like a video game, trying hard to beat the stage, all while I am still collecting coins. Trying hard to save the girl, obstacles, I'm jumping hurdles. I'm growing up to be a big boy. A battle with the evil ways, I travel far and try and say, sorry, but your princess isn't here. Take a rest, I push the pause, level up and move along in hopes that the next stage I will clear. Fucking past, asshole! I'm just trying to keep from dying. It's just a game that we play, and for heaven's sakes, looking for a better way to play it. Life is for giving score and forevermore. Stop calculating and start changing it. Today I went to therapy, told him my embarrassing issues that I'm having with my life. He told me that I need to change, life is not a video game, so stop playing and open up your eyes. I'm just trying to keep from dying. It's just a game that we play, and for heaven's sakes, looking for a better way to play it. Life is for giving score and forevermore. Stop calculating and start changing it. Don't talk about it, just be about it. Don't ever doubt it, even when your brain is clouded. I may be crazy, but life's amazing. And through it all, and even with your problems facing, so just know that inside, life is like a video game, trying hard to beat the stage, all while I am still collecting coins.